Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Sherly coming to you with her new unit for the summer that I actually wore to New York, that I actually fell in love with. Sorry that I have a cold, you guys. I do have a cold. How are you guys doing for the month of July? Everything is speeding up. Everything gets lost in transit, especially when you're traveling a lot. You don't get the opportunity to record the way you want to record. Everything tends to be rushed a little bit more than normal. But here is the unit here. It's on my head right now. I'm going to the movies for Despicable Me 2 with my youngest son because they didn't take him when I went to New York. So I'm going to make sure that we have our little one-on-one gathering together so that we could just enjoy ourselves. It'll be just me and my youngest son having fun. I'm wearing the city's jersey, and it's Wade. I can't show it to you right now, but it is it's my favorite color for the summer right now, and I'm in love with the jersey. Supposed to wear it when I was in New York, but everything went by so fast, so I'll be wearing it today when I'm out. It's Cutie. It's a cute wig collection. I think I got this for like 40 bucks, I want to say. I just picked it up because somewhere in May or June, it had to be in May, I wanted to find a really nice unit to wear for New York, and then I found this and I fell in love with the color, and it's beautiful. And the length on it is I love it. Let's see. I'm going to get up for you guys so you can see the length. Let me see if you can see it. There we go. I love the fullness, I love the length, and I love the color. So this has to be one of the highlights I had so far. This will obviously fall in the month of my favorites for the month of July, once I do that recording. This is a Cutie wig collection. Let me just show you guys the card. There you go. And it is a DYX 1B/350. It's easy to put on. It's big head friendly. I love the bob. You don't have to worry about how it looks too much because you have the bob. And I just fell in love with it, so I wanted to show you guys and share it with you. I think I got it for maybe $39 at Sister Hair or Hair Sisters. And this was one of my favorite units so far for the summer. And I just wanted to let you guys know of it. And it's called Cutie once again. They have it in cotton candy, which I think was the most popular one because it has that touch of pink. And I know that was the color for the summer too. And it's iron safe. It's high heat resistant fiber. And it's available in a variety of colors. And hopefully you guys I love it. So I love how the color is amazing. If there was other colors, definitely, and if I knew it was going to be this nice, I would have probably got another color too. But this was amazing. I just love how it flows. I love how it moves. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys definitely know I had wore this for New York. So that was it, you guys. That was me showing you my favorite unit for the summer. And I hope you guys are enjoying the day. I hope everything is coming along quite well for you guys. And I will talk to you guys very soon.